Hello everyone, Katie Jo here with Katie Jo Artsy, and I wanted to go over how I was able to get everything you can see here for a price point that is under $10. So what I have here are several different varieties of succulents, and everything I was able to do for under $10. That's including the pots, the plants, all of it. Now a succulent like this will usually run you at least $5. For a set of 4 like this, you're probably going to be spending at least $20 or more typically. But what I have done is I've created my own succulent potting soil mixture. I use perlite, regular topsoil, sand, peat moss, and I mix it myself. That'll save you a ton of money. So I didn't really factor that into the cost here. If you have to buy succulent soil, that'll be an additional price. But these guys, if you live in Georgia, I got these at the supermarket, the actual succulent plants. They have a special, they are $1 each. So instead of going to Home Depot to get your succulents, I would really recommend looking other places, non-traditional, like your grocery stores. Your Walmart also is always going to have better prices. Places that might have succulents just kind of as a side item versus Home Depot or those kind of places that are going to have a garden center that's a little higher price point. So each of these, like I said, are $1, and then these glass little containers that are just perfect, I got from the dollar store. So these are each $1. So that is succulents and containers for $8. Pretty awesome. So, and then you can also, we could factor in, like, let's say another $1 or $2 for sand if you want to buy it at the dollar store. I use paver sand because it's a little coarser, and I am just in my parents' garage and they happen to have some, so I kind of salvaged it from there. And then, like I said, I made my own potting soil. So that is how you make a really pretty arrangement of succulents for under $10. Dollar store and non-traditional places that might have succulent plants for cheap. Can't emphasize enough though, the dollar store. Thanks for watching.